Oh shit. Something enhancement day in my life. From the mail.
Yeah, I got the call to execute the skill. Bukshot hit me, the wicked have been summoned to kill. Flip the ski mask, grab the AK, no. Grab that mic on my ass, smash the cut these bitches down raw. Swing, chop, all I see is red. Bitch who up and spit out fire, that's more, so all my feelings dead. Find the people who accepted me, the rest I'm missing hands. Became a beast in my creations, a monster of the descent.
Careful coming down here, bitch, I keep my burner always on me. Mask up on my face, a true American horror story. Crown of thorns piercing to my head, I feel the pain is cleansing. Crucify me in the trap until my bones are bending. I'll be back in 7 days, steady slinging rocks. You looking like you seen a ghost with baggies in my socks. And here begins the descent into my puzzle box. Excuse me if I pull away to bust a couple knocks,
little devil boy in this bitch, spitting upside down crucifix. Two hellions or so heaven sent, causing moshes and turbulence. Y'all don't know, gotta kill him slow, let the monster grow. Up the pole, let it go, leave him leaking like a nose. You gotta watch my snap, snatch the vertebrae out your bag to see me relax. Bringing all of my voices back, say show no mercy. It's when I'm holding you hostage, carving 26 in your head, so I'm never forgotten.
Oh no, fucking around, you let the thunder blow out. I do not do it for clout, came from hell to bring them all down. I am from D-Town, murder mitten like the clowns. As soon as you hear the sound, prepare this round. Yeah, in the Great Lakes of hot lava, you know big dog bitch, you are more like a chihuahua. The damage I can do ain't no point in seeing the doctor. So let me chop it up with you before I let loose the monster.
Descending to the underground where we don't care about your ego. Knock your chip right off your shoulder where you even find these people. I have come to chew a bubble gum and kick ass. I am all out of bubble gum, but I got big gas. Let them go, murder show, headshot, vertigo. Hurt them slow, murder flow, dead shot, juggalo. Enter red dragon, yeah, hellion, feel the dread. Helter skelter back again, bitch be careful where you tread.
Bitch, be careful where you tread. You heard what my partner said. You don't wanna get packed up real nice with a place around your fucking head. Dead, that's that final solution. This music business prostitution. I get lost in illusion. It causes a contusion that never did really heal in my brain. Now I'm insane, get a bit wicked. Is you feeling me, man? God dang, MOB and SCG, we running a race with a punch to the back of your head that'll break the front of your face. Draw. I can see it clearly now. These demons wanna bring me down. The haters never hated, they just needed me to be around. Hey, I'm the people's champ. Hey, I'm the underground. Yeah, 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 we the shit. Bitch, we'll fuck you up. Somebody once asked me why we rap about all the violent shit. I told them come grow up where I grew up and live the way I did. And if you can feel up both of these shoes the way that I just did, then let me tell you this. Boy, you the shit.
Hi, I'm Peyote, motherfucker, you don't know me. Pennywise, your kids, and Candyman, your homie. My patience is very short, it'll drown in a kiddie pool. Picking on a emo kid, he's shooting up the middle school. Jack Rabbit with gadgets, he got a bad habit. We smoking on Bobby Brown, then listen to Black Sabbath. My life is a color, and now they got me seeing red. We killing with tunnel vision, televisionary dead.
Bitch, I got time today, so follow me down this way. I'm booking a flight, it's done with the carnage light. Hurry up on delay, we're losing the light. Coming to fear with the demons and living my dreams and bring on my dark disgrace. We're coping the mix when I'm in the mix, I'm bringing you hell to pay. Wouldn't wanna make you wig out, keep that chin up, go scout. If you find yourself up in your feelings, who you big pal? Who you big man, huh? Got you dropping jaws, got you crushing in your element like what the fuck?
Strapped and put some head to bed. I know some people want me dead. Couldn't go with being broke, so Kentucky the fit is where we fled. 93 was losing, then now people think I lost it. Put boundaries in my life, so don't you motherfucking cross it. We sell chicks like we bosses, so you better not miss the show. My star and my style, got the people saying whoa. Deep in the gutter, moving butter down in Flint. Killing shit at River Park, project is my descent, motherfuckers.
Focus a beast, a project with running the streets. Infrared beam on your face while you crossing these killers. I know that you heard that we beat. Fucking the game up and keeping the G. Coughing the homie, be up in the feed. Mission complete, now it's time we get back to the kitchen and cooking some more with this D. Wanna get poked, it's gon' cost you a fee. Project way rapping, now what do you see? These killers connected, got loose on the record. They murder you bitches, and now we gon' flee. Stacking the money as tall as a tree. You fucking with danger and fucking with me. I jump in the booth and go stupid, you hoes, we do it, and now you hoes begging to plead.
Your favorite rapper's a mannequin, dripped up in his management. Hold the pose for that camera lens, but don't own the clothes that they standing in. Got a thick chick with a fishnet stockings, dressed black and yellow, no caution. I can flip that trick like costume, give it a 6'9" Akashi. A lot of gossip inside of sitting in the red form. They say I'm too underground, why am I
my music airborne. Out here catching bodies for the furnace, keep the layer warm. Drummer the pariah, I'm writing this as a fair warning.
Dig a little deeper, grab a shovel, help me out. I'm carrying maggots, climb all around us like this place. Vomit blood up on the mic, but it's better what you like. Come on down and have a fight, little monsters take a bite. My body's stuck in rigor mortis till I hear a metal beat. Zombies in the mosh pit, screaming like a fucking beast. All together, jumping splatters, smoking bloods with coca dabbers. Twist some bass and make it fatter. We can shit, it's all that matters. We're over the train, I fuck the mice train. They don't go down, they never die train. Stuck on my jack, I know you hate me. I'm rising up, you wanna take me.
Yeah, you hear that? Yeah, it's thunderous. These are big facts. Avengers been a must. If they ain't down with us, they in for a world of hurt. With that ass on every earth, we'll call that the multiverse. Get it? All these bitches in for major pain. I'm a lethal weapon, bulletproof. Let's say I'm Damon Wayans. The last boy scout and y'all ain't trying to see the gore. Class like God Butcher, I'm out to settle every score. Have to hit them in their core. Villains always bringing more blood to the floor. Have it seeping out of every pore. And now they can't ignore destruction that is top notch. We're playing the Game of Thrones, you bitches playing hopscotch.
Start the next phase, y'all don't want that. We on the same page, bitches fall back. Loaded 12 gauge, it's like fall bats. Long sharp blades, yeah, all facts. Big facts, villains spitting big facts. You've been made, now you're about to get your wig clapped. Big facts, villains spitting big facts. UGA, now you'll never get the ball back.
It's the way that I wear my crown, way that I hold my ground. You cross the line that you shouldn't have known me now. We gotta dance now, devil in the moonlight. Eat you like a cannibal, let's call it a food fight. Let's assume, right? We was never cool, never cordial, never friendly, nope. Took you as a fool, and that's alright. Every person needs a nemesis. It's always been like that since Cain and Abel back in Genesis. Big facts, now you owe me big tax. Fuck me over, I'm a psychopath, you'll catch a big axe. Big facts, Avengers about to kick ass. Buckle up, cause Uncle Buck about to give slaps. That's right, about to cut him and chuck him into a box where we gut him. Now go to bed so we tuck him. A good night of fucking, and never had to bust a nut. You never meant nothing, go to sleep, now cover up.
Start the next phase, y'all don't want that. We on the same page, bitches fall back. Loaded 12 gauge, it's like fall bats. Long sharp blades, yeah, all facts. Big facts, villains spitting big facts. You've been made, now you're about to get your wig clapped. Big facts, villains spitting big facts. UGA, now you'll never get the ball back.
Underground Avengers and we back. Big facts, quarter pounder bullet in the gap. Big Mac, step into a villain, better pack. Big sacks, pile them to the ceiling when it clap. Big stacks, we done went and did it. Got the band back together and I admit it's been a minute, but it's better late than never. They gon' hate us more than ever, cause the shit don't quit. Let them come and getting clever and the shit gon' spit. We've been plotting and scheming, but this is not what you thinking. It's gon' be shocking to see it when we unlocking the meaning. You'll be dropping and screaming like they was dropping a nuke. Yeah, we back, best believe it, they no stopping this group. Big facts.
Start the next phase, y'all don't want that. We on the same page, bitches fall back. Loaded 12 gauge, it's like fall bats. Long sharp blades, yeah, all facts. Big facts, villains spitting big facts. You've been made, now you're about to get your wig clapped. Big facts, villains spitting big facts. UGA, now you'll never get the ball back.
Ape shit, gorilla blood, shape shift, we are the flood. A great goon, a monsoon, a full moon, a fall doom, and we approaching high noon. You could call me Cyrus, I swerve verb virus. With great pressure, I becoming diamond. Apocalypse gets gritty, Raccoon City files. A bloodthirsty beast with big fucking balls. About to begin, seeking revenge. No fucking friend, enemy till the end. I will end you, back to hell is where I sent you. Gorillas in the mist, Stephen King venue. Beat on my chest, gorilla savage. Primal rage obsessed, dealing damage. Ooh, ape shit part 3. Ooh, rah, super villain infamy. The gorillas are coming, the red gorillas are coming. The illest gorillas are bumping, they making nothing to something. The red gorillas are coming, the red gorillas are coming. They coming, killers are jumping, they dumping bodies like nothing is nothing. Yeah, I'm a bad motherfucker. I go ape shit on you suckers. King Kong up in this bitch. Fuck with us and end up in a ditch.
Been about that life, couldn't afford on time, but I'm a dollar short. Holler for silence and it never coming. It echo is drumming, we going to war. Taking what I want when I want. Dropping that sauce, that great poupon. Yeah, I got my catalog, it looking like I like shit raw. And I never decay, it ain't up for debate. 30 below on a July day. I cope with the pain, you elope with the fake. All folks and no folks safe. And I pray I change location, cause I ain't got no patience. When I did it, ran thinner than an Ethiopian racing. Now I'm living under bad moon at a back cave with a man-made pain in the past unsafe. But I can't complain, cause danger taught me more than shelter ever could. I'm never good, but I could've froze. Complacence makes a man a ghost. No, I won't be paralyzed by pride or die. I'll do the most, and damn boy, I do that. Roll out, y'all sewer rats. Come forth, I light torch, and I turn this fucking world to ash. No pass, I spike facts. I two-step, I smooth dance. Upon your grave, I'm gravy train conducting like a fucking chain.
The gorillas are coming, the red gorillas are coming. The illest gorillas are bumping, they making nothing to something. The red gorillas are coming, the red gorillas are coming. They coming, killers are jumping, they dumping bodies like nothing is nothing. Yeah, I'm a bad motherfucker. I go ape shit on you suckers. King Kong up in this bitch. Fuck with us and end up in a ditch.
Tarzan ain't got shit on me like anytime, like never ever. Go on, put it on the record, I will snap and pull the lever. Pretty sharp and clever, wise and witty, but a record on my throne, I wave a scepter. I just hustle better, I need to know what you got on my 40, my homie. Be on some Debo shit, take you out quick, leave your girl lonely. We're with gorillas, silverbacks, feel the max pain, we the realest facts, killers with the illest stats. Make the block hurt, talk shit, the Glock squirt. Anyone could get it when grade me and clockwork. Had to find out for myself, bro, I lost focus. What they had to say about us turning on the voltage, it's some cold shit.